Hi and welcome to AeroLeads YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to add prospects based on your specific requirements. So let's get started. So first click on the B2B Data and Contacts tab, and then you will see the filter pop up and narrow down your search based on seniority, location, industry, and more. So I'm going to filter the CEO, CFOs, manager and director from the USA in the HR industry. So, once the results appear, you will see a list of matching prospects, and then just simply make the folder where you can add all the data. Once reviewing the list, if you want to save the list, then simply click onto the Save button, which you will find next to Individual Profile, and then add to your AeroLead list. Also, you can just save all by just simply clicking to Select All option, and then hit Add. So these prospects will now be saved, and for reviewing, you can just select to My List and then to My Export option, and then you can download the list. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.